Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with ExpressVPN app for safer connections step by step clearly. Start by downloading the ExpressVPN app from the official website or your device's app store. Once the download is complete, locate the application and click to open it. On the welcome screen, you'll see an option to log in or create an account. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. Enter your registered email address and password in the provided fields. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once your credentials are entered, click on the Sign In button to proceed. If this is your first time using ExpressVPN, you will need to create a new account. To do this, select the Create Account option. Enter your email address, choose a strong password, and agree to the terms of service. Click on the Create Account button to complete the registration process. After registering, check your email inbox for a confirmation email. Follow the link in the email to verify your account and finalize your registration. Once verified, return to the ExpressVPN app and log in using your new credentials. After a successful login, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of the app. Here, you can choose a server location for your connection. Select the power button to connect to the VPN server. Once connected, you will see a notification indicating that your connection is secure. You are now authenticated and can browse the web safely with ExpressVPN. For any issues, visit the support section within the app for assistance. Enjoy safer online browsing and secure connections with ExpressVPN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.